China just shocked the world, and no one noticed. While Western media distracts you, China races into the future. Machines replacing humans, cities run by algorithms, yet barely a whisper in the West. This isn't about smart cities or flying taxis. China is building something far bigger, a robot army. Once you see it, you'll realize the future is already here. Let me start with something that once sounded impossible. Remember when ordering pizza meant waiting 30 to 45 minutes and hoping it arrived warm? China decided that wasn't good enough. Today, they run an entire network of delivery drones that bring food in just 15 minutes, accurate to the exact minute. Instead of traffic jams and doorbells, drones fly on fixed paths and drop packages into special boxes. No drivers, no delays. Meituan alone has already completed over 300,000 drone deliveries, the equivalent of feeding a medium-sized city from the sky. And it doesn't stop in cities. Out in rural areas, JD.com uses heavy lift drones that carry between 5 and 30 kilograms. They call it a pickup truck in the air. These drones connect villages that never had fast delivery before, moving medicine, food, and supplies where roads once slowed everything down. Impressive? Now listen to this. This year, 15 million new cars in China will roll out with robot brains. That means 2 out of every 3 new vehicles can drive themselves without human hands on the wheel. But one car changes everything. The Yuao-1. The first vehicle with a true AI brain. This isn't just self-driving. It thinks and talks. The Yuao-1 comes with an AI partner named Simo. You speak to it like a person. You can stand outside and say, "Simo, pick me up," and the car will drive itself to you from up to 2 kilometers away. Inside, it talks back, plans routes, and reacts like a digital companion. Powering it are dual NVIDIA Orange chips delivering 508 TOPS of computing power, paired with 11 HD cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and 5 radar systems. That's more awareness than some military drones. It parks itself, switches lanes, avoids danger, reads traffic lights, and even makes risky left turns in crowded streets. Then there's BYD's Yangwang U8. This SUV can spin 360 degrees in place using 4 independent motors, turning like a top without moving forward. It can crab walk sideways into parking spaces. Even crazier, it can drive into water nearly 5 feet deep, float like a boat, and move at 3 kilometers per hour for 30 minutes. It's not a concept. You can buy it. The M Motors L6 slides sideways into parking spots using 4-wheel steering, shrinking space needs by 11%. And the BYD Z9 GT can power slide into tight gaps, spinning its rear wheels opposite while the front pivots, slipping into spaces that once felt impossible. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see what BYD built next. Their U9 Extreme supercar launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in only 2.36 seconds. Faster than you can react. It recently shocked the industry by hitting 496.22 kilometers per hour, breaking records worldwide. That makes it not only the fastest Chinese car ever created, but the fastest production supercar on the planet. But the truly unbelievable part comes next. The BYD Yangwang U9 can actually dance. This $236,000 supercar uses something called the DISIS system, allowing it to jump up to 75 millimeters, hop over obstacles, and move in rhythm with music. You can watch a 1,287 horsepower machine bouncing to a beat. And this isn't just for show. The system responds in only 40 milliseconds, lifting each wheel independently by 75 millimeters at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than blinking. It delivers more control and power than any production car before it, outperforming Lamborghini, Ferrari, and even the $2 million Rimac Nevera. What scares other automakers even more is BYD's scale. It just became the first company in the world to reach 10 million new energy vehicles. And while a Ferrari costs over $500,000, BYD sells this dancing supercar for less than half of that. Even more shocking, about 85% of people in China are comfortable letting robots drive them, compared to only 39% in the United States. China is racing forward while others hesitate. They're already testing self-driving taxis in 19 cities using 16,000 vehicles across 32,000 kilometers of special roads, enough distance to circle Earth and still have pavement left. AI cars are changing transportation, but charging has always been the problem. That just ended. Bide's new battery technology delivers 400 kilometers of range in only 5 minutes of charging. That's like crossing cities after a short restroom break. They call it a 1 megawatt charging system, powerful enough to make charging faster than pumping gasoline. And China didn't stop there. They also built trains that never touch the ground. Using magnetic levitation, these maglev trains recently hit 404 miles per hour in 7 seconds. During testing, one reached over 620 miles per hour, faster than many commercial airplanes. With speeds like that, trips between Beijing and Shanghai could shrink from 5.5 hours to just 2.5. But the biggest surprise isn't hardware, it's people. While other countries teach basics, China is training future AI leaders. In Beijing, children as young as 6 must now study artificial intelligence for at least 8 hours every school year. Hundreds of schools are already testing advanced programs. These kids will grow up controlling technology that hasn't even been invented yet. And finally, China built something almost unreal. Entire highways without workers. Using 100 self-driving haul trucks, each carrying 85 tons, roads are built automatically in freezing -40-degree temperatures. Autonomous rollers and giant GPS-guided pavers finish highways without humans. They're building the roads robots will drive on. China plans to deploy 5,000 self-driving haul trucks nationwide, and at this pace, the future won't wait. Flying in China feels like stepping into the future. At 62 airports, more than 557 security lanes use facial recognition, so travelers no longer need tickets or ID cards. The system knows who you are the moment your face is scanned. At Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, you can check in, drop luggage, pass security, and board without speaking to anyone. The entire flow takes about 12 seconds per passenger. Beijing's largest airport runs over 600 biometric checkpoints, 250 automatic gates, and 80 self-service stations, all powered by cameras. You simply walk forward, and the system handles the rest. And it's not just airports. Across China, cameras watch, analyze, and recognize faces in real time. More than 200 million surveillance cameras cover the country, about 4 times more than in the United States. They're part of the Skynet system, built to identify and track people instantly. It can spot jaywalkers, find rule breakers, and even help predict crimes before they happen. Police officers also wear AI smart helmets that scan crowds and immediately flag wanted criminals. This shows how fast China is moving with AI, while others struggle to keep up. We usually pay with cards or phones, but China has gone further. There, people pay without either. They use their palms. WeChat Palm Pay scans the lines and veins in your hand. It's more secure than fingerprints and faster than pulling out a wallet. More than 1,500 stores already use it with an error rate under 1 in a million. Students use it at universities, travelers on trains, and soon people may not need cash, cards, or phones at all. But it gets even crazier. In China, robots are starting to work beside humans. One robot, about the height of a 10-year-old, performs kung fu, dances smoothly, and runs faster than many adults. It's called the Unit G1. Standing 1.32 meters tall and weighing 35 kilograms, it has 23 moving joints for human-like motion. It walks, runs, jumps, shakes hands, carries objects, opens bottles, cleans rooms, performs routines, folds itself for transport, and costs about $16,000, making humanoid robots suddenly affordable. And just when you think it stops, China pushes further. They've built robot dogs called Go2. These aren't cute toys. They're serious working machines weighing only 15 kilograms, yet running at 2.5 meters per second. What makes them incredible is how they move. They can walk upside down, perform backflips, front flips, cartwheels, and adaptive rollovers while climbing over obstacles. Powered with GPT-based voice control, they understand commands, shake hands, stretch, dance, and even take photos. Their biggest advantage is vision. With 4D LiDAR, they see 360 degrees with almost no blind spots, detecting objects as close as 5 centimeters away. The Go2 Pro runs up to 11 miles per hour and uses an intelligent side-following system that lets it jog next to you while avoiding obstacles automatically. There's even a wheeled version called Go2 that rolls across rough terrain while carrying about 6.6 pounds of gear. And this isn't a demo. At the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, robot dogs already worked on the field, transporting discus and javelins while crowds watched in shock. Today, similar robots are used by police and military units worldwide. Now comes the part that feels unreal. A company called X Robots builds androids that look human. Realistic skin, perfect teeth, blinking eyes. Each robot has 140 facial and body movements, more than most people use. They cost around $280,000 and take a month to build, right down to tiny skin pores. X Robots has already created over 200 humanoids and now produces more than 500 a year. They've even recreated figures like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, and Thomas Edison as talking robots working in museums, hotels, schools, and government offices across China. And while the world debates robots, China already uses them in hospitals. AI machines draw blood with extreme precision, and delivery robots move medicines directly to patient wards, cutting delays and saving lives every day. But here's something that truly blows the mind. In China, doctors now operate on patients more than 8,000 kilometers away. In Xinjiang, surgeons control robotic systems while sitting in cities thousands of miles from the people they treat. Remote surgery is already real. But what if the doctor itself is a robot? Meet Dr. Alfred, an AI surgeon so realistic you'd think he's human. It speaks fluently, understands multiple languages, and answers medical questions like a real physician. China has also built the world's first AI hospital with 14 robot doctors and 4 robot nurses. Together, they treat about 3,000 patients a day. These AI doctors are accurate roughly 93% of the time, often beating humans. And AI doesn't stop in hospitals. China is transforming farming too. The DJI Agras T100 drone carries up to 100 kilograms of seeds or pesticides, sprays crops automatically, works at night, and avoids obstacles with smart sensors. Then there's the 108-arm cotton topping robot, trimming 26 to 40 hectares daily and working over 120 times faster than people. GPS planters seed 6 to 7 hectares a day, replacing up to 100 workers. China isn't just building technology, it's building everything at once, faster than anyone expected. This is only the beginning. Before the world changes again, subscribe and stay informed.